Assalamu alaikum en 'n hartlike welkom by Pro. Ek is Abida Dixon Mohammed en vandag keer ek in die kombuis saam met Musfika Jacob Simon.
Nou kan julle nou sien, hè, as nou alweer 'n storie en julle weet as ek so lag inkom, ne, dan het iets nou weer voor die tyd gebeur en fooi tog ek kry arme Anka maak so jammer. Ek weet hoe kan Anka maak nou hou en aan te Elsie nie. Maar ek gaan niks verder sê nie. Ek wil julle laat weet dat dag keer ek weer in Mitchellsplein in Colorado spesifiek. En ek gesels vandag lekker saam met Musfika. Assalamu alaikum Musfika.
Alaikum salam.
Ja, vir my daai buite voice, as jy mos op buite is, dan kan jy mos nou raas.
Oh, no, if I'm going to give you that voice, then you're going to throw me out.
Dan gaan ek die viewers
Throw me out and out, not gonna.
Okay, ons los. Musfika, wat maak jy gou vir my vandag hier in die kombuis?
Today we are going to make a quiche.
A quiche.
Yeah. So sometimes you can have it as a small quiche, you can have it as a big quiche,
Okay,
but today we're going to have like a nice,
En dan het Elsie ook gevra om 'n groot een te maak.
I asked her the size and she said, no, keep it moderate. So, so it's fine.
Okay, nou kan julle sien,
Is there oil in that pan?
Not yet.
Can you pour it please so that I can just smack it?
Die van agter die skerms is toe lekker. Okay, Musfika, waarmee begin jy? Want ek sien jy het vir my werk gegee, jy vir my besig te hou. Waarmee gaan jy begin? Gou.
Okay, so we are going to start with the chicken and the spinach.
Goed. Nou wat is jou bestanddele gou jy?
Okay, this is all the fillings. So we're going to start with the chicken and the spinach. And then while that is busy cooking, we are going to make the sauce for where the chicken and the spinach goes in, which is your garlic and ginger, you can use a chicken spice or barbecue spice. Then this is like a mushroom spice and more of a garlic
spice.
Sauce.
Ek wil nou net
a sauce and a sauce.
Yes, ek het gehoor van 'n mushroom spice. Okay. All right. Oh, that's nice. Really nice. As ons praat van die spinach, alles of die helfte?
No, you can use half of it.
Half of it.
Yeah, we measure as we go along.
Okay. All right, so daai is so. Kijk, laat ek nou net gou vir julle sê, Musfika sê, sy gaan nie Afrikaans praat nie, want haar airtime raak ook gou op. Maar sy vergeet seker soos haar Afrikaanse airtime opraak, raak my Engelse airtime ook op. So ons gaan nou nie worry nie, ons gaan maar nou halfte vandag, né? So ja. En kyk hier, ek het nou my vinger in die week, het ek my vinger gesny met 'n lekker mes. Kyk hier, sy gee vir my die mes. Nou moet ek nou ekstra versigtig wees, dat ek hom nie verder afsny nie. En dit is net aan die Elsie se gedagte om vir haar te sê, sy moet vir my nou die mes gee.
Daai van is naby Abida, daai van is baie naby. Pas maar af, né?
Now can you see Musfika, that is how it goes. That is how it goes every week. That is how it goes. But I just love it too much, man. I just love it too much.
No, you must.
Yes, I just love it too much. Yeah. Now Musfika, sê gou daar vir ons kyk, hoe lank kook jy nou al?
Oh, I've been cooking for good amount of time. My mommy actually started teaching me to cook when I was the age of 9. Just to smother the Ava cheese, you know, get it brown and things while she was in work.
Yes.
And then after I now conquered the smoring of the Ava, and then she started teaching me to add in your, now you can add your meat until your meat is now soft and whatever. So it's been long because I've got 2 brothers and a father that I had to look after. so it was a good amount of time. It's long.
Maar nou toe Musfika nou eers nou op 'n bankie staan om nou by die stoof uit te kom of hoe, wat het Musfika gedoen?
Oh yes, definitely. I was very small at the time. I was excited for that, but I also wanted to play outside a lot, so of course I had to get that done before I could now go outside to play.
En het jy goed dan nie gebrand nie, maar Musfika wil dan nou buite gaan speel nie.
No, I had to stand there the whole time. So boring.
And mommy was like very impressed with Musfika.
Oh no, definitely. Anders sal ek nou nie kos gemaak het. You know, I'm the haters now.
Okay, now that's lekker. Now, if you now have to choose, which are your favorite in making, cooking or baking?
I'm more of a cooking.
Okay.
More cooking. I wouldn't dare go near baking. No, that is just not my.
Maar ek hierdie vir jou nog fynner maak of is hierdie okay? Nog fynner?
Kijk, dat het later
nog fynner. Okay, that's fine. Kijk hier, ek sê ook altyd, ek sê As dit is dat ek nie kan bak. Ja, ek kan bak miskien een of twee goedjies,
Yeah.
you know. But baking is just not for me, man. Cooking is more my style.
Okay.
You know, and my baking. And then you must know, before I met the Mr. Mohammed.
Okay.
O, Here, toe kan ek dan vir jou lekker bak. Die klompie goedes, né? Toe kan sy vir jou alles doen. O, want dit was nou 'n impressery, you know.
Yes,
Here, en toe heb je dan nog getrouwd is toe. Wat waar je heb je daar nog verder van bak?
Nieuws maak dus maar sandwiches met chips. You know, or fry an egg or something to go with it. So long they fit. So long they fit and they fine. I think they will be fine.
Nou, Musika, you are also married, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Nou, okay. Nou, kan jy nog onthou?
Wait, let me just say I'm very happily married. Very happy. I'm very happy.
Ek het niks gesê nie, né? En hoekom spring sy nou so maar na happy toe? Ek het niks gevra.
No, because just now it's on the record. You know, it's on the record. So I need to put it in there that I'm very happily married. Alhamdulillah.
That's good, that's good. Maar kyk, jy kan jy nou nog onthou waar jy mekaar ontmoet?
Oh, that is a story.
Ah.
And then
Alright, nou, okay.
It was a story. And then I forced him to come and meet me.
Yes.
I think we were shooting pool one night.
Pool?
Yes, at Narren's. And then I told him, no, you must come and make a turn. And then he said, no, he's working and things.
Verskoning.
Yes. And then I said, no, man, just make a quick turn. Because you're always busy. I'm always at work. So, but then further on, and then he came.
Okay.
And then he told me he doesn't want to see me again here. So I said, okay, just my money. You know, so he said, and then that's when he told me, Osalsin. So I told him Osalsin.
En toe, hoe lang vat Osalsin, no? En toe, hoe lang?
Not long, actually.
Not long.
Not long, no.
Okay.
I think we only dated for about 3 months.
Yes.
Then we got engaged, and exactly a year later, and then we got married.
Maar kyk jy toe, nou hier nou kom en die eerste keer nou regtig nou belangstel in jou. Toe was die mamma en papa?
Oh no, and then it was a very small world. Eventually when we started speaking about parents and things, then my mom, my dad actually, and his mom was on the same school. And then there was a kind of a mutual kind of thing going on, yeah. So it wasn't too far from like friends and whatever. So the world is quite small.
Okay.
Very small.
That's lekker. And that's why you're up till today. You are still very happily married.
Yes, alhamdulillah. Very happy. I'm super happy.
Ons gaan dit vaar, né? Ons gaan dit vir elke vrou om gelukkig getroud te wees, né? Maar bly julle gou net daar. Wanneer ons terugkom gesels ek gou verder met Musfika. Welkom terug julle. Ek gesels nog steeds in die kombuis saam met Musfika en ek kan vir julle sê die klimmet. Laat 'n ander mens lag want sy sê net iets en dan lag sy. Kyk daar. Kyk daai oulike gesig met daai oulike smile. Alright. En Musfika maak vandag vir my 'n lekker quiche, maar in 'n groot version, né? Nie die kleintjies is so albei. Musfika, jou hoender is nou reeds daar.
Yes.
Watter speserye gaan jy nou gou gebruik om daar in te gooi?
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're not going to add too much to this.
Yeah.
Because when we're done with this and adding the spinach, we're going to strain that off.
Okay.
And then we will continue with that. But for now, we're just going to add a little bit of garlic and ginger.
Yeah.
So about a tablespoon or so. And then we will have a little bit of spice.
Okay. Nou, ek moet nie jou anders sny nie, dit is genoeg, né?
Yes,
dit is heeltemal genoeg. Okay. Nou, Musfika, as ons nou praat van kosmaak, dit sê dis meer in die kosmaak.
Yes.
Wat se tipe kosse kan jy alles maak?
I can make, don't ask me to make an acne. I'm not going to make acne.
Hy maar sy kan nie so maak met anti-elfie.
No, I tried making acne, but to come here, it's a bit hard, you know. So it wasn't like a soft man, but it was nice, but the rice was just a bit hard. So I stay away from acne. But anything else, I can make normal rice courses. Like my children love house food.
Yes.
So we love tomato food. We normally make it in any kind of form.
Yeah.
Whether it's a chicken tomato, whether it's a normal sausage or mince or whatever. So
maar tomato is
the thing, yes.
Okay. En pastas?
Pastas, yes, definitely. My children like pastas as well. We make pizzas. We make all kinds of fun foods.
Wat is fun
But a lot like pasta and
is that ook fun
burgers. That's luxury
So,
food.
ek wil nou net sê, sy praat van gemorskos.
Yes, that is that luxury food. That's wants. You know, that's not needs. Of course, is filling.
Lekker.
You know, so
die
yeah.
kool en die blomkool en die snyboontjies en die
Yes.
pampoen en die...
Okay, I don't make snake bungees.
Why not?
I don't know, but I just don't like to make snake bungees. It's a lot of work to go in, man. You know, sneyery and...
Nee, maar kyk jy, mense kry mos nou al die goed wat nou al klaar vir jou gesny is en gehelp is en daai tipe van goed is so, is lekker.
At least
Maak jy sagokos.
Sago. I will lay it in for
Yeah.
you, but then you can make...
Maar jy,
But I make food, man. I make food.
Okay, nou, Musika, waar ek van jou slaaitjie vir jou maak, waar is jou bakkie wat ek jou slaaitjies moet ingooi?
Oh, you can can I get this bowl for you?
Ja, gaan maar, ek was nog hier, meneer Warren, laat sy maar gaan. Ek het daar so mooi gevra, sy alles het, toe sê ja. Nou kan jy sien. Kan jy nou
twee keer gevra.
Ja, nou kan jy sien. As dit nou nerves, of wat nou?
Yes, you can make the salad in here.
Ja, but this is a nice color.
Is die wat nou nie wou uithaal nie, sy was bang.
Amazing color. Bottle green, yo. And the sweetness, sweet. They're really sweet. Nou Musika, as mama nou vir jou nog geleer het nou om kos te maak, en dit gedoen het en dat gedoen het en so aan. Het sy al met sop gemaakt toe sy nog kleiner was?
Can you believe I'm not a person that likes soup?
Serious?
No, I don't. Everything that I don't like to eat, I'm never interested in making. To be honest with you.
Okay, nou, en as man die van nou ook sop he?
Nee, ek moet nou begin leer. I must now start learning how to make the soup. But the chicken soup and a butternut soup,
Yes.
that is something that I will make for you.
Oh, okay,
So
maar...
that is what I now eat.
Okay,
So-
maar soos die split peas en die boentjies, dis jy daar nie?
No, I'm not there with that.
Alright. Kijk hier, julle nog eens sien hoe starig sny ek vandag nou hier vir tomaties en goeters en whatever, want ek is nou 'n bietjie, nie bang nie, maar bietjie versigtig. Ek kan nie nou nog 'n vinger nou nog raak sny nie.
Oh, no,
En dat nog al hier by Musfika se huisie. Glad nie, want sy het seker nie eens 'n plaaster nie.
No, we must have because we have children here.
Nou man, I'm just kidding. Speel net saam. Hoe sê jy dat nou?
I'm so sorry.
Speel net saam.
I'm gonna add a bit of the garlic and ginger,
Okay.
and then the spice.
Yeah.
And then we will add.
What kind of spice again?
That is a chicken spice.
Okay. Nou ek hoop julle het daai pen en papiere daar saam met julle net sodat julle sommer kan afskryf wat Musfika noem, wat moet gebruik word vir haar lekkertjies, né? Alright. Nou Musfika, op skool,
Yes.
wat sê daai meisie?
Me? No, I was very shy. I was very shy in school.
Okay.
No, I was very shy in school, yes.
Okay. En toe wanneer die skaamheid nou begin uitkom?
I don't think,
Heeltemal verdwyn.
or maybe I wasn't too shy. I was shy, but I wasn't maybe too shy.
Okay.
But I was, you know, I was an average kind of girl on school.
But years, after a few years, it started to get better.
No, it did get better. More outspoken.
Okay.
I think a little too much outspoken.
Ah. And do you think some people doesn't like that? Or is it okay
I don't
for
know.
you to be that outspoken?
I don't know. Maybe I just watch what I say. So then people will like it. You know? You must just be careful to what you say.
Ja, daar is nou nog 'n storie, né? En nog 'n storie. En nog 'n storie, mens moet maar be careful wees, want deesdae is almal fyn gevoelig.
Very.
Ja, ek sê maar gou so en so aan. Maar dit ook. Maar kyk jy nou toe word jy nou mamma.
Yes.
En toe, hoe
was
verander jy lewetjie nou? Toe mamma nou beginne, toe kleintjie nou kom en daar word Musfika nou mamma.
No, I didn't. So I just got married.
Ja.
And when I was done getting married, and the baby came, and I was a parent immediately from there, going forward. Yes.
En mense hele lewe verander as babatjie gekom het, nie?
Yes, it does. You know, you have more priorities.
Yeah.
You have to make more sacrifices.
Yeah.
And all that. Especially in this time and age, you have to make a lot of sacrifices.
Wel, ek ken al die storie van sacrifices. 5 kinders later, 7 kleinkinders agterna so. Oei, 5. Nee, daar bly julle gou daar. Ek is nou weer terug. steeds saam met Musfika in haar kombuis en ek kuier lekker vandag in Colorado Park, Mitchells Plain. Nou Musfika, wat gebeur gou nou hier verder? Jou hoendertjie is lekker daar met jou spinach. Wat gaan jy gou gemaak hier?
Okay, so now we are going to make the sauce for the filling.
Okay, en wat maak jy? Gou.
So this I'm going to add some butter.
Ja, hoeveel boter?
About 2 tablespoons.
Yeah.
Tablespoon butter.
Good.
You can add a small little or like a teaspoon of garlic and
ginger. Yes, okay.
And then we just add the milk.
Alright.
About say 2, 3 cups of milk.
Okay.
Depending on how big you're gonna go with your
hoeveel sout jy gaan maak?
Yes.
Alright.
And then we just stir that up until it's a bit thickened.
Yeah.
Then we add our chicken with the spinach.
Gaan dit binne daarin.
Yes.
Okay, nou ek sien dan ook jy het aardappels hier wat nou klaar gaar gemaak is.
Yes.
Halfpad gaar in die microwave. Want ek het al vir julle rysopmos gegee, né? Wat om te maak met die aardappel, hoe om dit half gaar te kry in die microwave. So dit gaan nou waar.
We are going to fry that.
Okay, in die olie.
No, on the stove.
Ja, maar ek bedoel in die olie.
Yes.
Ja. Mos in die olie.
I thought you said oond.
Okay, so moet die olie lekker warm wees voor jy ingooi en dan gaan jy dit draai. Okay. What is on here? Nothing.
No, before I put it in the microwave, I only added a bit of salt. So then we don't have to add too much salt like after.
Okay.
We are done.
So ek sit dit vir jou daar neer wanneer dit nodig is dan kan jy dit maar net daar ingooi, né? Okay. There you go. Nou, Musfika, sy sê daai meisie daar op die skool was maar baie skamerig.
Yes,
sy het nog, maar sy het daar vriende gemaak en vriende gehad.
No, I did. I had a few friends.
Yeah.
And I wasn't always like very for like a lot of friends.
Okay.
But I had some friends. Yeah.
En as jy daarom nog in kontak met party van hulle nou? Nou
no, definitely. Yes.
Okay.
I've got a best friend that I'm still in contact with.
Yes.
But yeah.
Nee, dis lekker. En kyk hier nou dat jy kan kos maak, kan mamma daarom nou lekker agteroor sit en sy doen nou alles.
The feel. Maar nou, lekker toe my, ek is nou...
Sy is nou die.
Yes. I told you most about the English, you know, the Afrikaans.
Okay.
It's a minute bundle. So, we'll go back and forth. If you don't mind.
Nee, ek het nie 'n probleem nie, want soos ek vroeër gesê het, sy koop net 'n sekere Afrikaanse airtime bundle. En julle weet, ek het net 'n sekere Engelse airtime bundle. So ons kan nie, ons kan werk.
Sy WhatsApp groep
kan werk daarmee. En solank ons mekaar verstaan, no problem. No problem, absolutely not. Maar nou, as ek nou mag vra, is sy lief nie uitgaan nie, maar uit eet. Kom ons sê liewer so.
Not really. I wouldn't know. We prefer making food. We prefer making food at home. We will probably only go out to eat, say once a month.
Okay.
You know when the pay is in, and then you do your grocery shopping and everything, and then you go and now you have something to eat. But furthermore, in general, we honestly just like to make our food at home.
Okay. Kijk je zo, zij moet het nou in mijn gezicht nou gooien when the pay is in. Maar ik zei ons nou niet meer, you know. So nou ben ik nou die nou wat in mijn gezicht when the pay is in. Okay. Ik ga het vallen. Net zo. Nou kijk hier kleintjes dan was nou ook hier rond.
Yes.
Hoe is kleintjes een eeterij and that kind of stuff? How does it eat? Is it okay?
Oh no, yes, my elder son, he loves cooked food.
Okay.
And that is why we prefer making foods at home instead of going out to eat. They do like the burgers and, you know, the normal things, but they like cooked food, your rice with your foods and whatever.
En hulle twee, hulle is nie vol fimies wat kos betref nie.
No,
I mean, like some children...
The baby.
Is it?
Yeah, the baby. He doesn't want to eat. You can give him a boiled egg, or you can give him noodles, 2-minute noodles. Anything with pasta he will have, but the eldest one, no, he's going for everything. Anything.
No, that's lekker.
Yeah.
Listen, I cut the half. Do you want the whole one or the half is okay?
No, half is fine.
Half is fine.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. No problem.
Maybe we can just add a bit. You can add a bit of cheese to your sauce as well.
Yes.
Just to get it more material.
Meer kaserig en sausies te maak. There you go. Okay. Ek haal hom voor uit. En ek moet sê, ek hou van die kleinkie, né? Dis nou veral wanneer die kleinkies ook nou wil help, dan is dat daar 'n kleinkie
Very convenient,
wat hulle dink. Ek het eenetjie gehad wat op sy eie staan. Hy het die aan nie, maar hy like gekom like hy kan ook oop. Hy kan oop totally open, but he's like on his own. That was also one for the children that I had. En toe dink ek nou lekker verkoop nou.
Abida, ons het spesiaal vir die klein enetjie gegee.
Con your fingers.
Wat jy so klein en kos, maar ek het gevra vir jou 'n klein mens.
Kan julle nou sien hoe vat hulle weer vir my nou vir 'n grap vandag, né? Maar dis okay, it's all part of the show, you know, all part of the
Ek
show.
het nou match hy nogal jou bietjie op.
A ray of sunshine.
Nou, hoe kan 'n mens nou kwaad raak as hy nou sulke mense saam met jou het, wat nou net vir jou wil laat lag? That is absolutely amazing. Nou, Musfika, jou aardappels,
Yes.
moet jy mos maar nou ingooi daar so, want die olie is al seker lekker,
Yes, it is.
lekker warm, so do that. En nou, wat is hierdie?
Okay, that is now the pastry that
Yeah.
I pre-baked.
Okay.
So you can pre-bake it as well, especially if you're making a bigger one. But don't pre-bake it too long because then it becomes dry.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, so ek gaan gou jou bordjie vir jou hier skoonmaak, is so?
Okay.
Dat het nou niet zo te lijken en zo aan. Nou, maar sinds zij is nou al, zoals ze zal zeggen, gaafjes en die ding. Zij kan hem nou zomaar lekker toe maken, die kies.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't always make a big one.
Ja.
But every now and again, then it's nice to have like for supper or if especially for working moms.
Ja.
So if you want something quick to make, it's not a lot of ingredients that
Yeah.
you use.
Yeah.
It's quick to make. It pops in the oven or so let's say air fryer. You know, a lot of people have air fryers these
Nowadays.
days. Yeah, but when I grow up one day I will have one. When I grow up then I will have one of my own. But for now I will
For now,
put it in
you
my
must
oven.
adjust it.
Yes, it's not a problem. You can put it in your oven.
Kijk, hier laat ik gewoon zeggen, als je 2 airfryers bij huis, misschien kan ze even haar vrouw veel in het gegeven.
Not a problem.
Wat geloof jy dat jy dit twee airfryers? Gooi nou goed in jou pot.
So we're just gonna
Okay,
add.
so that is just going in there.
Now we're gonna add this
Into the pot and then everything goes in here.
Yes.
Nou, zoals jullie daar kan zien, die hoender en die saus en dan die hele saus en hierdie bak. En dan gaan hy in die oven.
Yes.
Voor hoe lang?
Say about when it's golden brown.
Golden brown.
Golden brown.
Nou ja, zoals jullie zien dan.
It depends also how creamy you do want it. This I made now very creamy.
Okay.
So it depends also how creamy you want it.
Okay.
So you can measure
Alright.
how much you want.
Nou, wanneer die ding nou uit die oven komt, het lijkt al klaar zo lekker. So ek gaan jullie net zo los, net met die stukje daar. Nou ja, kijk net hoe lekker like hierdie meisiekind se quiche, lekker wedgies en natuurlijk die bietjie slices wat ek gemaakt heb. Nou Musfika, geef vir my so 'n stukje van jou quiche laat ek proe my.
Okay.
Want hy lyk vir jou sommer baie lekker, né?
Actually made it a little creamy.
Creamy.
Yeah, a little
Okay.
too creamy, I think.
Okay. Laat ek my proe. Nee, dat wil nou net sê. Nou, net sê, dat is genoeg vir my. Maar dat die avond is elke week, ek moet net proe, ek moet niet verkeerd. So ek gaan maar een aardappeltjie ook maar dinge. And give me a little salad.
Salad.
Because we did do that now on the show, so dat is genoeg. Ai, kijk hoe prachtig lijkt mijn bordje. Hij is genoeg.
They say it was
Why
a
is it so
colourful.
pretty my plate look?
They say it was a colourful plate in itself. You plate.
Ja, oké. Alright, kwai. Let me just taste. Was taste eerst haar kies? Nou.
You can go first.
Die nice creamerigheid. Sy proe sommer dan lekker kaas. Die dikheid.
Yes.
Wat hier kom. En natuurlijk die spinach. Ek proe het sommer lekker. Kijk, maar die is nie gezond vir mense om te eet soos Auntie Elsie nie, né?
Abida, Mama Dixon.
So you enjoying it?
Ja, so ja, I just love it. Maar sy kan maar nie vir my alleen laat proe nie.
No, I want you to because
Sy kan maar sy kan nie vir jou skep en nie proe nie.
yeah, but you must my guest, you know. So I must now let you enjoy it first, just in case you want some more. En nou ik misschien die ook nog mee. Oh, maybe all this is so.
Kan julle nou sien? Kan julle nou sien? Hoe word ek nou weer? Okay. Aardappel, wat is er nou weer?
I threw in the salt just before I put it in the microwave for about 8 minutes or so. Then I just added a little bit more after that.
Absolutely amazing. I love the fish. Ek het nou so gewonder, dit sien in die klein koppietjies, die klein dingetjies wat hulle dit maak. So dis 'n absolutely different ding om nogal te sien hoe hulle dit nou in 'n groter een maak. Maar ek kan dit vir julle lekker jaloers maak en vir julle sê, ek kan die Elsie Boeta Ibrahim en dan kan maak. En die res van die gehoor, julle weet ons het altyd gehoor. Ons gaan daarom vir jou nog verder lekker proef.
So wat proe jy nie die slaai nie, wat het jy daar al gegooi?
That's why they say it's healthy. So you can have it.
Almal weet van hoe proe 'n gewone slaai aan jy as jy nou nie dit nie.
En ek hoop jy het die dag lekker geniet saam met my en Musfika Jacob Simon. Tot volgende keer, mooi bly. Ek is Abida Dixon Mohammed en volgende week gaan kuier ek vir Samila Petersen in haar kombuis.